Hey there, my name is Frank. Pleasure to have you here. Today I'm going to show you how to restring a 7-string electric guitar. We're going to do this in several easy steps, and wait till the end, I'll have a bonus tip for you. All right, let's get started. Here are the materials we're going to use. Pack of new strings, make sure there's 7 wire cutters. Tuner, any tuner will work, but this is the one I have, much easier. Let's get started. Okay, step number 1, you're going to loosen the old strings. Now, you can just do it by hand, or they do make winders that you can use. Those are optional, but we can just do it by hand. And we're just going to start with the top string first, B string on the 7-string guitar, and we're just going to loosen it up. And you're just going to follow this for all the strings. Just keep doing this until they're all loose. Step number 2, you're going to cut the old strings. So now that you loosen the strings, you're going to take your pair of wire cutters. See, they're all loose. Now you don't have to do this, you can just take off the strings, but this saves a lot more time if you just cut them in half. It's going to make it much easier to take them out. So let's do that right now. Step number 3, you're going to remove the old strings. So now that you've successfully cut the strings, let's take off the strings. You're going to do this by grabbing all the strings from the bottom part and then looping them through the back to get them out. So let's do that right now. Next, we're just going to go to the top part, and then we're just going to start loosening up and undoing the old strings. We'll start with the top one first. And all you have to do is turn it till it comes out. And you're just going to follow that for the rest of the strings. Step number 4, now that all the strings are off, it'll be a perfect time to clean your fretboard. I use this Dunlop guitar maintenance kit. I have a full video and shows you how to do that. But yeah, let's get to it and let's go on to step number 5. Step number 5 is now to insert the new strings. So take your pack of new strings, let's open it up, and you're going to insert them from the thickest to the thinnest, and usually you can tell by the numbers which one's the thickest. This is the 56, and then we just go down the line: 46, 36, 26, 17, 13, and then finally 10. So we're going to go in that order. We're going to start with this one. I'll show you that this is the thickest one. So we'll start with this one first. So there it is. Let's put it through the guitar. If you have a Schecter that's string through, you're going to feed it through the back of the guitar. You're going to unwind the string. Now the ball then goes at the end. So you want to insert it from this end first. So we're going to feed it right through. And as it comes out from the front, you're going to pull it through. You're going to pull it through until you feel the ball end. And I'll show you what it looks like in the back. So that's already catching. The next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that it's on top of the saddle there, like that, of the bridge. And then we're going to bring it to the top. Step number 6, we're going to feed the strings through the tuning pegs. All right, so you're going to take your first string, the top E string, and you're going to find a hole in the tuning peg. Usually what I do is I give it enough slack, so you can see there's enough slack right there, and I hold it with my finger here, and then I'm going to loop this part through the bottom. The reason I do that is once it's wound up, I want to make sure that it locks into place. I'll show you how that happens in a few seconds here. So then we're going to start turning the peg, and we're going to go in this direction, so counterclockwise. I pull this tight, and I'm going to start winding it. Now as we're coming around, now this part I want on top of the string so that it's extra tight right here, to make sure that it doesn't come loose, and the tuning will be much better, so it won't have a hard time tuning. We're just going to keep doing this until it's fully looped and it's tight. Alright, so make sure when you have your tuning peg that you're lined up the hole with the string as it's going to the top, and you're going to pull it through, again leaving some slack. We're going to pull it all the way up, and then we're just going to bring it back down 1 fret right there. And we're just going to make a little turn here. And for this guitar, we're going to go in this direction tuning, going to the left, and then all the other strings, the 4 strings, are going to go to your right. Step number 7, we're going to tune our guitar. So we're going to use this clip-on tuner, and you're going to go down the strings and you're just going to tune them. And as you go, you're going to realize that they don't stay in tune when they're brand new very well. So you got to tune them several times. Usually 4 to 5 times is good. And you can also help speed up the process of the string settling by pulling on them just slightly. You don't want to pull on them too hard, but as you're going along and you're tuning them, you just want to give it a little bit of a tug, and eventually, after a while, you keep tuning it, and eventually they'll settle, then you'll have the tuning that you need. Step number 8, we're just going to clip off the excess string at the top of the peg. So once you're done tuning, you just want to find the excess part, and you just want to clip it off. Okay, here's a bonus tip, guys. I didn't use a string winder, which I think will make the process so much faster, but if you're looking for one, here's one right here that is worth getting, and it'll make the whole process a lot easier, and you can just wind the strings as you need it, and things will just go much faster for you. So now you have successfully restrung your guitar. Hey, let me know in the comments what kind of guitar do you own, and if you have changed your strings recently, let me know if this was useful to you. If you can comment below, let me know. If you can give this a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I have many tutorials on guitar related topics, so let me know. And hey, check out this other video. I'll see you on the next one.